Hey y'all, welcome to Hillbilly Garage. No, we did not do a paint job on old Red. Got her backed out this morning. Got good old pressure back. That Hellcat oil pump, that's really something. First start up was right at about 70, and then going down the road 1500 RPMs, you're running 60, 65. Accelerated, jumped to 70. Yeah, so oil pressure's back to good on that. I had to replace that oil cooler jet that we showed you. But you may remember a few videos back we were trying to find a miss in Hemrietta. And we replaced the injector, moved around the coil packs, the plugs. And it's odd that when we replaced the injector, the lifter noise really came to life. So that's what we got going on. I'm sure we're probably going to find a broken lifter or flat lobe cam or something. But yeah.
So you're ripping this one out now?
The engine's coming out of this one.
But you're trying to keep the AC on this one, right?
Yeah. We're going to maneuver things around, keep from disconnecting that AC. But yeah, we got to go in it and make sure that there's no metal trash, all scattered about in there and stuff. Got a cam and lifters on the way. So we will bring y'all back in when we get to the part where we find the messed up parts, whatever's broke. And we hope y'all check back with us. We appreciate you visiting Hillbilly Garage. We ask that you subscribe and like, comment. Start to get a few comments. It's getting funner. And hopefully we can find something to share with other folks that if they want to come in and fix on their own vehicles.
Now, what engine's in this compared to the red one?
The red one's got a 6.4 Hemi in it, and this one is a 5.7 Hemi. Really, the only difference in the two of them is the size of the pistons. Everything else is pretty much the same. Alrighty. We'll talk at y'all later. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.